In this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to get a list of all the current Roblox game passes that you own. To get a list of all the passes that you own, go to roblox.com/home and then click on the three bars, click on inventory. Then you're gonna search for passes. Click on passes. And here you will see a list of all the passes that you own. And if you are curious as to what all these passes are for, well, I can give you a quick tour. This one right here and this one right here are from It's Xylo. If you remember, It's Xylo is our 2024 Prize CP Line Runner champion. And this pass over here is the T to teleport pass that I can use inside Pebble Heaven A New Beginning. This one is the Q to sprint pass that I can use inside Pebble Heaven A New Beginning. And down here are some older passes. This one I got from Teskill, the Invincibility pass. And these down here are very old. Guys, that is how you get a list of all your current game passes in Roblox.